What's going on, everybody? John B here. Come out today to a private pond, take a few pictures. And I haven't been out here in a few years, so figure I get a few shots of some things. I always like the old boathouse here. I got my camera set up. I hadn't had it taking pictures in a while with this coronavirus stuff going on. That's beautiful. Try to back up a little, get more of the tree in. So I hope everybody's been staying well, staying home. Well, staying away from people. Yeah, it's a beautiful location out here. Try to get a shot here with the dock in the background. Yeah. Gotta do some family portraits out here later on today. Looks like the water's a little high. The boathouse is up underwater. Now I got a little snake out here. Not sure what kind it is. It's on the log. Oh, just went in the water. Dang it. Got a little dock out there, fishing dock. It's pretty nice. Get a good shot of it with the sun hitting on it. I'm gonna try to get a picture of just the bridge here, but being at 75mm, it may not be enough. Kind of zoom into 50mm here and get these trees along the water line. I really need to put my polarizer filter on, but it's in the van. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and just get a few quick shots out here. Like I said, I just came out to check the property out before I do the family photo shoot this afternoon. Wish we had some clouds in the sky. Just gotta watch out here. Being out in the woods with the pond, the snake's been around here, so I want to roll up on one. Maybe I'll get a few nice shots out here. I'm right next to the interstate, so that's what you hear, the traffic going on the interstate. And while I was out here, I saw this little turtle, so I had to go swap my lenses. Had to put on the 100 to 400. Reach out there and touch the turtle. He's out here sunning. Got his head up, checking us out. And while I had this 100 400 on here, I'll put it at 200 millimeters, just right at 200. Try to get some of these trees and the water there. We'll see how that looks when I process it all. Might get one more view angle of the turtle here. Zoom back to 400 millimeters. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today out here. But once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Later.